Let's cook eggplant roll. First, let's prepare our ground chicken, sliced onion, garlic, egg, oyster sauce, magic sarap, pepper, and salt. Mix them together. Add some sliced spring onion and carrots. Then, let's prepare our coating mix. Flour, magic sarap, pepper, salt, and water, and add some cornstarch and mix it well. Then, let's slice our eggplant using our peeler for a thin slice. Then, add some meat and roll it up. And coat it with our coating mix and deep fried it with hot oil until golden brown. And you're done. Enjoy!